Words in Chinese will make me sound cool. 成语, idioms, they keep you from sounding like a newbie. Teach me one in 10 seconds, I'm a little busy. You know kill two birds with one stone, right? Yeah, that's an English idiom. There's a Chinese version as well. You can count to 2, yeah? 一二. Alright, bird is 鸟 and stone is 石. 一石二鸟, one stone, two birds, or to kill two birds with one stone. Wow, Chinese idioms are fun. 5 more seconds, I'll teach you another. Ooh, buy one, get one free? Subscribed. Oh, this is just the tip of the iceberg. 冰山一角. Iceberg, 冰山 tip, 一角. Wow, the meaning is exactly the same as in English. What I know about Chinese is just 冰山一角, but learning with you, I can 一石二鸟. Welcome to the Chinese dojo. Stoked to be here. Now tell me,